Housing plays a central role in improving the quality of people's lives in both developed and developing countries. Safe and affordable housing provides personal, social, and economic benefits. Most directly, housing contributes to the good health of individual inhabitants. Housing re-anchors the homeless in the community and mobilizes those traumatized by disasters. It especially impacts positively in a post-conflict situation. It is also a means of employment generation. Want to build your own home in the near future? Welcome to the three-dimensional expanded polystyrene building system. This form of construction has been in use since early 1970s in most countries which are environmentally conscious. For example, the USA, Italy, Germany, United Kingdom, Europe in general, South Africa, Central America, and the oceanic countries, amongst others. Here in Kenya, Prime Ventures International Limited, that is PVI, and NASCA Construction Limited were the first companies to use the new technology. PVI and NASCA Constructions Limited are two companies under one umbrella. PVI develops concepts and housing proposals and was started in late 2009, while NASCA, the construction arm of PVI, was started in 2010. The two companies operate under the leadership of the CEO, Manelik Makonnen.
I'm a contractor. It's two companies under one umbrella. And the purpose of that is to be able to alienate construction from consultancy, as I will say. I deal with alternative building systems. Basically, all types of alternative construction systems worldwide. But we have more or less specialized on the three-dimensional expanded polyurethane housing systems.
We at PVI and NASCA Constructions Limited have been using this technology for the past 10 years as opposed to the conventional construction method of stone and mortar, which has been used in Kenya since time immemorial.
We did do the Balozi houses in Muthaiga North, where we did approximately 24 units. Basically, it's 12 units, but 24 spread out, including the guest wings of the houses. We have done individual homes. We did some in Rongai. We've done partitioning and renovations, converting existing structures using the panels for partitioning on floor slabs that were weak, considered weak, and could not take stone, and so they needed simple, light bearing loaded panels to do the structure. So we did those in Adams Arcade in Demi Road, and subsequently we have been doing individual units. This will be the biggest project that we've done so far. We believe that we are doing a good job. We are also transferring the technology knowledge to a larger population.
The panels come in a standard dimension size of 1.2 meters wide by 2.7 meters high, with graduation of 1 centimeters to a maximum height of 3 meters, a total weight of a minimum 13 kgs to a maximum of 15 kgs. When using 3D panels, there is no need to excavate solid foundations as opposed to the conventional building system, where the ground has to be dug till the solid rock is reached. When using this technology, only the top vegetation of 6 inches need to be removed. Then, reinforced beams are introduced for the panels to be erected on top. What are the advantages of this technology? Durability. The panels come with a 90 years guarantee as opposed to the 60 years guarantee on masonry walling. That is why the technology is also referred to as the three-dimensional welded panels. The welded panels to form a wire mesh that strengthens the wall and is impenetrable. It becomes like a concrete slab that is erected and the mortar is applied while the wall is up. Less labor and nominal materials are required, that is sand and cement. Handling and installation. This technology requires little equipment and reduces manpower. Also, this can mean a lower total capital investment and a quicker return on investment. If you adopt this eco-friendly technology, you will do away with timber, natural stones, and be able to build solely using this technology. The panels can withstand typhoons, earthquakes, and hurricanes. Polystyrene is a byproduct from petroleum, hence it is non-toxic and is fireproof.
Yeah, it will just melt this thing and stops there. The moment you remove fire, it will stop there. It will not, so it's fireproof.
The panels also possess inbuilt thermal control. Expanded polystyrene core meets all thermal requirements. Double shell configuration minimizes sound transmission. It is the best technology for building swimming pools, dams, and basements since it is waterproof. Last but not the least, it's very versatile, hence has limitless applications. It can be used to build commercial and residential houses.
Well, I think that the advantages are numerous. First and foremost, the temperatures are very good to live in. When it's very hot outside, it's cool in here. When it's cold outside, it's a bit warm. Another thing that I've noticed is that it's soundproof, so even if my brother's listening to music upstairs, I don't get to hear it here. Another thing is that there are no leakages, it's waterproof. I've never seen any termites in the kitchen. And then in building, it's also very cost effective because I think we save 40%. And you can also take up any architectural drawing. You'll never see any cracks in these kind of houses. Well, so far, so good.
Multiple structures and skyscrapers. NASCA, the construction arm of PVI, plans to develop a curriculum in the near future in order to train new recruits as a requirement for them to attain jobs in the building industry. But in the meantime, NASCA offers on-the-job training to their employees. The training is given by the requisite experts.
We are training them on site, but in the near future we are developing a curriculum that will be requiring them to go for training before they are employed. The panels are a bit cheap in comparison to the blocks. In terms of the speed, you save quite significantly in terms of labor, and you also save on materials because you eliminate some other materials like the things like ring beams where we use steel and ballast. That one is, when you are using panels, you eliminate it from the cost, and that reduces the cost of the housing.
When it comes to the time it takes to complete a house, the construction manager affirms that a 2-bedroom house only takes 21 days to complete.
It's a 4-bedroom house that is a bungalow. It should be able to take 21 days maximally. When I mean maximum is that the structure and the fittings are in place, then you give it at least 7 to 14 days curing for it to cure fully before you apply your paints. If it is a maisonette that is going on upper floor, you need 30 days, so that you give another 21 days in between to cure the slab. But as you are curing the slab, the other jobs will be ongoing.
On services, that is electrical wiring, it takes only 1 day to get all the wiring done in a 2-bedroom house. The question on your mind must be, how safe is it? Well, The panels are petroleum byproducts and hence are fireproof, so fire cannot penetrate through the panel wall.
Powerproof, and setting up of this kind of wiring takes a shorter time compared to the other one. Okay, this one I think is faster compared to the block, and is safe. A 4-bedroom, the complete wiring can take a day. Let us not look at this product as a paper. It's more than a paper.
This is the technology of the future, the technology of Jubilee. I can tell you frankly, there's no looking back. If I was given a choice as a decision maker, I would actually ask Our Excellency, pass a policy that from now on, let's go green. Let's use this technology only for construction. It will save our environment. And basically, we can even look back and the residents of those houses have very good words about the technology. None of them has regretted it. And they always say, tomorrow, if you have a scheme that's purely this, we're ready to put our money on it.